Hello friends and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video we're going to be making a really simple cozy fall recipe. Today we're going to be making a banana and granola bread. If you guys are interested, please do continue to watch. This recipe I've made many times on this channel before, but today it's just more of a simple cozy fall mood vibes, something where we can sit and relax and just enjoy the music in today's video. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking, but I just want you guys to have something simple to watch, to enjoy and relax. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video.
Dream